Okay, part 2, because my cell phone had to mess up. I barely touched the screen. Anyway, so we looked inside real good. Everything looks good. We got our HC on the top. Slide that in, straight in. All the way. Okay. And you remember our line of stuff here? We got our clip. And tell me that's gonna fight me now. Yeah, if this isn't all the way bottom the way it should be, it will fight you. Getting the clip in. So let's see. If we give that a little push. Okay. Really? It's still fighting me. Yeah, sometimes you gotta take the plate off. Hoping I wouldn't have to do that. Yeah, the dog barks the whole time. Well, this is a bear one-handed, I'm telling you right now. Make sure it's all the way in. Push. There we go. Make sure it goes all the way down. What I did, this was out like less than 1/8 of an inch, and I had to push it to get it to bottom. Okay, now that. Next in line is this. Got that. And of course our handles, this one's broke, so we got a new one right here. This is a nice new Mullen handle. No cover or screw, so guess what? We're reusing the screw and the cover on the old one, which is perfectly fine to do. Okay, guys. And your handle, make sure it gets on there. Okay. Get your screw in there. Snug that in there. Not so much where you break it. Okay. See, you should have some resistance when you turn that, like it's turning the cartridge inside, which it is. Put your cover back on. Feels pretty good. And I'm gonna go down, turn the water water back on and we'll see what we got. Take your stuff out of the drain. See, there's a piece of plastic from that other handle. So that's trash pretty much. Yeah, that's what happens to them. Somebody ends up giving a little too much muscle and it cracks. Yeah, this type, you turn it, when it stops, don't force it. If you get a drip out of here, turn this tighter is not going to help. It's not that type of faucet. Not a compression faucet. You turn it till it stops, that's it. Don't ever muscle this one. Alright, we're going to turn on hot and cold. And be right back. Okay, we got the water on. So let me go all the way to the left to get hot. Not very hot, too much of the we're on the second floor. It might take the hot a while to get up here. Sometimes I have people turn it down too to save money. There's the old one. I usually let this run for a couple minutes. Make sure all this starts any little bits of debris, it'll get flushed out more than likely. And remember what I said, guys, when you turn that off, don't muscle it. See, right now it's dripping still. You might think, oh, it's still on. And really, there's just water sitting in the pipes, draining out. Now, after about 5 minutes, if this is still dripping, then you might have a defective cartridge. But never muscle these, okay? So, appreciate you guys watching, and hope you guys have a great Memorial Day weekend. And thanks to our service men and women, past and present. That's what Memorial Day is about, to honor them. Take care, everyone. Stay safe.